Echo. It's easier for her to run the bank, so that's why we do it where the trees are. It's like, I don't think that's going to work.
Oh, there are dead bushes in there.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to it. I think it got so hot that it lost the oxygen.
Oh yeah.
This is a good retreat for it.
Well, that must have like gone down really well.
Are you filming her or are you filming all over the place?
I'm filming her.
She's gonna have to. She's going after the white bumper, I think.
Oh yeah, I forget your white bumper's on there.
Actually, maybe she got it.
You're gonna lose your bumper.
Yeah, I might. A million of them. So that's good. Oh, she was swimming to those geese. That's what she was.
There's a bird over there.
It's a long swim. Must be 70. Walk with me. Over here! Hey, 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 hey! Hey, Echo! Hey, hey, hey! Come on, this way! Hey, hey! You filming there?
Echo! Echo!
Hey, 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 hey! Come on, girl! Here, 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 here! Yes, over here! Here, girl, here! So she's happy and prancing. Alright. Over here, girl!
Still bringing it.
Heel. Set.